Lawmakers are returning to Nashville tomorrow to take up COVID-19 related restrictions that could stretch from businesses, even schools.
Capitol Newsroom reporter Gerald Harris is live in downtown Nashville with more on this. Gerald.
Yeah, in a rare move, the General Assembly is calling themselves into a special session with a wide scope to deal with COVID-19 related issues. The final straw that forced a COVID special session to push back against pandemic mandates was the support of Lieutenant Governor Randy McNally.
A lot of instances that were brought to our attention about people that were being forced out of jobs that they had held for a number of years. There's a lot of problems with kids who were required to wear masks.
McNally and House Speaker Cameron Sexton will navigate proposed COVID business and education restrictions.
Well, what we're seeing is just a lot of the hypocrisy of the Republican Party coming to light on a grand scale. They are taking direct aim at business owners across the state of Tennessee. They're taking direct aim at the at-will employment laws in Tennessee. They're taking direct aim at the safety of our public education system.
Among the bills filed, House Bill 9008 by Representative Jason Zachary would change how county health leaders are appointed. Representative Scott Cepicky introduced a number of bills from prohibiting businesses from requiring vaccinations or vaccine status from workers or patrons, to making businesses responsible for adverse reactions to the vaccine, to allowing school board races to become partisan.
We all support the freedom of business to be able to do that, but at the same time, there comes a time when you have a monopoly on decisions where folks have absolutely no options left, and I join my speakers in saying we should at least have that conversation.
Other bills filed would ban mask mandates in schools, something already deemed unlawful by federal judges in 3 counties, and would ban COVID-19 contact tracing.
But they want to put on this dog and pony show and charge Tennessee taxpayers to do it. And they're going to throw out every conspiracy theory they can. They're going to throw out every non-factual piece, tidbit of political jargon that they can, and they're going to put it in the form of legislation and make us and Tennessee taxpayers suffer the consequences.
And the average cost of a 3-day special session is over $130,000. There's no exact timetable for when lawmakers will be done here at the Capitol. Reporting in downtown Nashville, Gerald Harris, News 2.